But I have been doing this 75-day challenge, and I thought that the secret to weight loss was intermittent fasting, because that is what everyone says. And basically the complete opposite happened.
I'm here with Andy James. We're talking about our wish list because we fashion girlies, as you know. And Andy, what were you saying? So I said my wish list is about 5 pages long, and maybe we were thinking we should share our wish list with you.
I want the Scaparelli uh, toe heels, right? I want those with the gold toe heels.
I like to update my birthday wish list. As soon as there's something that I like, I'll add it to my wish list. So last year for my birthday, I got the Vivienne Westwood necklace from Brad that was on my wish list.
Okay.
So this year, I actually haven't spoken about my wish list, but my next item is just Louis Vuitton Speedy, just like the 25 or the 35, 25 or the 30, I think. The 25 or the 30, because I feel like it is just such a functional bag and it's a classic, and I'm so desperate for it. Like,
Would you buy it secondhand or would you buy it like?
I am so open to pre-owned, and I almost prefer Louis Vuitton bags that are pre-owned because they have that like the leather is worn and it has that like worn look, and where I feel like new Louis Vuitton looks like very like
Cheap.
yeah, like like the leather looks like. But obviously, if I got one new, I'd be really happy.
Yeah,
it would just take like 2 or 3 years to wear it. But yeah, so that is my wish list item for the year. But I think we maybe need to send each other our wish lists and then post them and share the items with our followers.
Look at what's happening in Cape Town, because like I said, we used to go there all the time and now we just haven't. So like, what's happening, what's cool, what events are going on. Just breathe, Abby. Sometimes I'm just like, am I a bitch? Like, am I the asshole in this situation? And I feel like I am the asshole in this situation, but I don't know why. Maybe I should have just not said anything and just shut the fuck up.
Day 75 of 75. I have completed this challenge. 75 days of the following: 3 liters of water, a minimum of 45-minute exercise every day, 3 liters of water, 45-minute exercise, reading 10 pages of a book every day, drinking only on social occasions, sticking to an eating plan or following a diet, no fast food, takeouts, fizzy drinks, etc. I have had Sprite Zero though, and I've drank on 3 social occasions. I didn't read my book once, but I have exercised every single day for the last 75 days. Most days I did take a progress photo, as you guys know, because I posted it on my stories pretty much every day. Yeah, feeling really, really proud of myself. Just thinking of what my next challenge is going to be. Very exciting. Yeah, this is just your motivation and this is your sign to start changing your life and making lifestyle changes, because little habits go a long way. So lots of small things add up and you start to build the life that you want. So I am not going to lie, I am very proud of myself. Feeling good.
Abby, why do you like gym so much?
I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I like how I feel afterwards.
But not during.
Yes, and I like how my body looks, and I like the social aspect. But I don't like this. Why would I want to do this? Why? Hey guys, happy Tuesday. This is our outfit for the day. Look how cute you look. Slade's wearing a striped t-shirt. Cool. Little shorts, and he got new shoes, which he loves so much. These new sunglasses, they're the Art Club Mr. Price collab sunnies. Oh my word, do you love your sunglasses? They literally are tiny.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so these are the Art Club Mr. Price collab sunnies. Obviously, you know I love a sunglass. I just don't know if they are too close together in the front. Now that I've finished my 75-day challenge, I am in my hot girl walk era. Just resting my body a bit. We'll carry on with my strength training. Just trying to up my NEAT score for the day. I'm trying to challenge myself to do 10,000 steps a day. I can't run until I've sorted out my hip. I'm wearing this set. It is from Mr. Price. Everybody loves it. It is so cute. It's got ties at the front. Yeah, it's got this matching pair of pants, which are fabulous. And then I'm wearing it with these platform little slops. Cute. Can you see? Bag with the chain strap, which I actually love. Doesn't really go with this outfit, but it's still cute. Yeah, that's my outfit. Airport, really annoying because it's been raining very hectically, so I left for the airport a little bit earlier than I was going to. I couldn't check my bags in because my flight is tonight, so I had like 20 minutes that I needed to walk around. So I was like, perfect, let me walk just like up and down the check-in, around all the check-in desks. It says whatever 8,200 steps, and my watch now says 6,200-ish. So working, but I don't know why it does that. I don't know if it's because I was on a call or something. But yeah, there's long space. Actually, yeah, just phoned my mom, phoned Tara, waiting for my flight.
Hi guys, I'm back. Tonight's outfit is this cute sport, this little spandex top, cute boots that don't see enough light, this little teeny tiny micro burgundy bag.
This is my outfit. I am wearing the sequin skirt, my diesel tank top. I'm wearing these leopard print heels, and then my bag, little cute brown bag, and we are going to Thai tonight, and we are going to have cocktails and have fun and catch up.
Weekend I'm just gonna be like, I'm back. Guys, this porn star martini made by these Ghanaian bartenders is actually so delicious. It actually tastes a bit like a whiskey sours. It's giving me whiskey sours with a porn star bite.
Okay, so this is my honest, unsolicited review. Oh, by the way, my unsolicited reviews are back. Dakota is back. This is a porn star martini. We are at Yatai Ramen Bar, and we are at the Abuja Cocktail Festival. Bars from Ghana. They're making these delicious porn star martinis. It is like one of the nicest porn star martinis I've actually ever had.
It almost has like there's like another fruit that I'm like tasting. Anything like granadilla or something? It's so good. Today we have already done so many things, but we're looking at vintage bags. Look at the chandeliers, look at all the beautiful antique things. So we are just doing a casual look. I'm wearing denims and this little seamless top. I'm wearing Gucci slides, my Coach bag with charms, and then where's my sunglasses? Oh.
It's me, I'm back. I am wearing these, what are these? Barrel fit denims from Zara. Cute Zara knit pumps. I've just got this, oh my god, my whole outfit's almost Zara. I've got this Zara little draped corset on, a vintage Levi's leather jacket, and then just this Zara.
So I forgot to show you my glasses, and then it is a little bit chilly, so I've added this jacket. These glasses are also Gucci, and they got beautiful rhinestone detail on the side. I'm really loving this leather bag. Don't know what you guys think, but this is a vintage leather bag from Brazil. That, and then Dakota.
Nice. Let me tell you about this beautiful bag that is coming home with me. Little Prada. Well, not really little. Pretty big. Vintage brown with the contrast stitching. I mean, how can you not love this?
Do you know what year that bag is from? So this bag is a early 2000s Prada, which in my opinion is some of the best Prada created.
Yeah.
Oh, so look at the card.
2002.
2002. Oh, that is a good year. So beautiful. And then what do we think about this bag?
I like it.
I also really like it. Like
I think
for
it's a
bigger,
nice
I've got
little-
lots of small bags.
Yeah. It's a nice travel.
Kind of reminding me of like the Stella McCartney bags.
Yeah.
It's so nice and slow.
Can you fly to Joburg tomorrow at 8 a.m.? And I was like, done. Booked my tickets, flew to Joburg, did my visa, and then we were like stressing. Like, what is the visa going to come back?
You kept saying, guys, I'm not coming to Paris with you.
Yeah, I was like so upset. I was like, you're going to go to Paris without me.
Oh no, they can't.
And then my passport and everything came.
I was even like
2 weeks
I was
before.
like, I'm not even entertaining this because you are coming.
You're definitely coming.
Yeah.
Don't even speak differently.
And then you got a connection, someone in your family.
Yes. So one of my fiance's sisters in travel. So her partner knows someone in the French embassy. So I called him. I was like, please, like expedite my thing.
Do it.
Yeah, and then he's like, cool, it'll be ready in a few days, and then I got my passport.
Awesome. It was meant to be.
Yeah.
And that was like the best trip ever.
That was like the trip of our lives.
I'm so glad we did it. It
Yeah.
was like insane. day, I am wearing Sadie Bosworth corset and beautiful silk skirt, Coach bag, Gucci sunglasses.
It's Dakota. I am wearing this cute little ruffle dress with these rose embroideries. I got this from a cute little shop in Hermanus. A moment for the new bag. Cute, super cute, little vintage Prada baby. Love it. Mwah. Hold this. Wait. No, come here. You say, hi, this is Joss and Sadie. We're just here to say hi.
Yay! Cute.
People are looking at me so fucking weirdly because I am walking up and down in Ting Ting trying to get my, it is 11:30 at night. I'm on 9,491 steps. Fucking 500 more steps to go in half an hour. Why am I doing this? I look like an insane person. But I have to get 10,000 steps today. Like, I've done it every single day. And now it's like it's crunch time. 9565 9565. Back-breaking work this is. Just walking in a little stupid circle.
Guys, this is my outfit of the day. Well, outfit of the evening. I'm wearing this cute little Dua Lipa t-shirt, this cute little Zara skirt, these Zara cowboy boots, and then this Vic Matai little clutch, and these cute little jewels.
It's Zara, zebra print little top, white shorts with lace, pointy little silver heels, and then my Gucci bag. And yeah, happy Saturday!